Hey, it's Chris from Charity Board Gamer, and today we're going to do an unboxing of Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. I like saying it like that. Alright, we got our special Board Games in a Minute box opener, as I like to call it. There we go. There we go. This is by 25th Century Games. The person that did the artwork for this, if I'm correct, also did the artwork for Creature Comforts, which is kids' table board gaming. So, and I liked the artwork for that. Alright, come on, box. Open up for me. I always wonder, is there like some sort of magical vacuum that keeps these boxes so stinking sealed like they are? I don't know. Let's open it up. Find out what's inside. Alright, Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. Okay. That's different. I'm not used to seeing a little punch-out board wrapped in kind of a plastic. That's pretty neat. You got like, it looks like a little menu type thing. Some foxes on there. Little bags. Let's see what these are. One of our favorite games from 25th Century Games is Kingswood. So I was excited about trying this one out. There's Robin of Foxley, Stella Tinkerton, Ferlin the Wise, Sir Winston of Foxingham, Crimson Fox, One-Eyed Wilma, Dr. Emma Brown, Calamity Rose, Sly Clyde, and Cornelia Childs. Okay. Nice little jokes and parodies right there. Got some dice. Cool. Let's see what these cards are. Steal one chicken from two different players, and two-player game, steal one from the other player. So I guess these are special cards that you play against each other. I do not know those. If I can open this up, it's got like a little strip thing. I swear these are like crisp proof. Okay. Where did I put my little pen? See what it looks like on the inside. Okay. Come on, cards. There we go. It looks like these little cards have different abilities and stuff. Alright. Yeah, so I'm guessing you kind of have a hand of cards and you play it against each other. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is going to drive me crazy when we play because the kids are going to be like doing this all the time. Wild stuff. You got a little dog. It's cute. I'm guessing it's trying to protect the chickens. This is like the game mat. Let's roll it out. Well, that's really cool. That's unique. Instead of it being a player board. Okay. So you kind of got all that stuff on there. That's neat. It looks like you should be able to roll it back up and fit it back into the box. That's the hard part I've got to figure. Is getting it to fit just right. See if it goes back in. Nice. Okay. Get all this stuff back in here. Oh no! I forgot to put the cards back. Got to get them back now. There we go. Alright. That is Winner Winner Chicken Dinner.